We are in New South Wales, Sydney, the capital of a wonderful sporting state. So many historic landmarks, but none more so than the historic SCG, one of the great cricketing venues of the world, for semi-final number one between New Zealand and Pakistan. A lot of tension as the players arrived because of the importance of this occasion. Absolutely fantastic setting. It's a beautiful evening here in Sydney, and nothing has been left to chance. Kane Williamson tossing the coin, ball one. Straight down the ground for four. A half volley, it swung a wee bit, but it swung into the middle of the bat. Close-ish, 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 but not close enough for Murray Erasmus. It is! Whoa, what a long deliberation that was.
Murray, you've got an inside edge. I need you to
go again. This time it's close. This time it's very close. A repeat here. An absolute repeat. And Shaheen Shah Afridi is going through the motions that says he's a believer. And the skipper is in very... Williamson underway. Tree. And a good start there. Not a lot of carry, it's fair to...
And make sure you can get your... Yeah.
Good pace there onto the bat, and in front of square for four. On the charge, Conway. Missing leg stump. Just going down. Nice drive. Oh, nice bit of fielding too. It's probably saved a cut. It's another fine piece of fielding. They are on fire tonight, Pakistan.
Stupendous shot from Devon Conway. That will be referred. Pakistan think they've got their man. Shadab is amongst the best.
And they've done that already.
He is diving and sliding that bat from as far out as he can. That's a lovely little back cut that should run away. This outfield's been quick tonight. For the New Zealand batters. Gone. Another caught and bowled, and that is a brilliant piece of bowling and a good wicket against Pakistan. Their batting hasn't quite fired. It may not need to fire so well again tonight.
Yeah, I know a number of people who weren't expecting it. One of the other things that just Dullian...
Upish into the gap. For a moment they thought they were in the game against Pakistan.
There we go. I was just talking about Daryl Mitchell trying to turn it on a little bit.
And then when you... Whack. Bang. He must have heard. He knew. Or good delivery. Perhaps sliding, maybe a run-out chance. Oh! Big full toss, not put away. Something happens all right. Beautiful footwork from Daryl Mitchell. Heaves it straight down the ground. With this move by the captain, a hint of good work from Mohammad Rizwan. That's Afridi. Follows the New Zealand captain, but he's too good. He's too quick. He watches it like a horse.
Projected scores. High in the air, should just clear or not? No, it does. Just clears mid-off. Over. Just short, I think, of Rizwan. It'll be leg by, is it?
Big one from Shaheen Shah Afridi. 4 wickets in the last game, and he's showing a return to...
He tried. Josh Little was the man. 20, one would imagine. Slower ball starts with over the top of extra cover, and Mitchell picks up a boundary.
To go their way, like the little flick leg side. That'll run away to the fence.
Yeah, good change of pace.
High, this one won't carry either. They should get two. Can't get it away. And
So let's see what the second innings holds for us.
Off, bring their A game in the field. Like
Whoever over the last week or so. Oh, sounds nice, looks nice. That's the way to start a run chase. More stump to stump there. Edged and down. Conway can't grasp it. There's shape away straight to the field.
Sure about that, Mel, but there was one from the Paddington end. A little bit of pace off there. And
Oh, that's nice, really nice. No matter who you're cheering for, you'll be nodding along. Change of pace and the wrist work is superb.
respond, how does he close it out? Whack, there you go, another boundary. So some real momentum. The Pakistan flags are waving.
Flag at the moment. That's a lovely shot. Shots flowing, runs flowing at the SCG. Only once, may as well go. Oh yeah, just set himself, let his hands do the talking. Goes tighter, but sets himself up once again. Same result. Yeah, and just can't. Just plug that. Yeah, nicely picked up once again. Is there an area of the ground?
I'll tell you one thing.
Here it goes. Here it goes. Is this the wicket? No. Down towards. Pressure within the circle. But that is not pressure. That's a free hit. And everyone they get.
New Zealand Ish Sodi. And the other half of this opening. Mohammed Harris. Oh, a lovely touch. The gap finding here has been sublime.
Into life.
touch again. Batters are backing it up. And it continues with another boundary.
Maybe that's an option. Find that one, turns, beats the outside edge. So there's a little bit for them to...
Swings that high, down towards long on. Hasn't got enough of it. Daryl Mitchell takes the catch. From Adam Gilchrist. Does he continue to play?
There you go, straight into his work. As easy as you please. It's not another six, but it's another boundary.
#23rd T20 International half-century for...
Yeah. Absolutely. And ironically, saw a lot of that from Pakistan. This could be another catch. It is a catch. Phillips takes it. Is there an opportunity now? There's a run out at the other end. Lovely shot. That is outstanding. Again, that's massive. That's 30 rows back, Mel Jones. Class. Through the offside square for us. What can Santner do? Out. Finn Allen takes the catch. Southey. That's a wide, and here it is. Down the ground, and that is it.